area that I've been hanging out in. This particular area is Cartersville, and it is gorgeous. I just love it here. While I'm here, I want to do a quick product review of an amazing thing I just found recently. I do a lot of seat reviews, it seems, and seat cushions, or I did an air hawk, and now I'm doing another one called the BeadRider. So here it is, the BeadRider. So I'm going to put the website on, but basically it's just BeadRider.com, and this is what it looks like. And this is the ultimate BeadRider. I'm gonna take out my notes and tell you what it's made out of though, because I don't remember stuff. All right, this is made out of reinforced ceramic composite. So it's not going to fade. It's not going to, if it gets wet, it's not going to bleed on your clothing. And it is, it's hard. So when you know, let me try to get a. So it's ceramic. So and it has got a little bit of weight to it, not too much. And at first glance, you're thinking it's going to be hard. Why would you want to sit on hard beads? That was my first reaction too. But the way the beads move, there goes my notes. It's okay. I can still see them though. Yeah. So the way the beads are smooth and polished and round, they're actually quite comfortable to sit on. And I've had this now on my bike for probably 2 months, and I really like to test a product out and really make sure it's working well before I get on here and do a product review. So I've had it for a while, and I really do like it a lot. It is a completely different setup than other things you have in your seat, because it's not air-based. You're sitting on it and it's hard. So I'm going to show you how to put it on. The price of it is $58, I believe, $58.95 on the ultimate, the BeadRider.com website. And this is the ultimate one. There are ones that are less expensive, but I'm not sure that they're as high quality as this particular one. So this is what I have, and it's made specifically for a motorcycle. But I got to tell you, I've actually taken it off of my motorcycle and put it on my seat in my house where I edit my videos, because it's so comfortable. So, okay, so I'm going to show you how to install it. It is just 2 bungee cords, one on the top, one on the bottom. Like I said earlier, it is made specifically for motorcycle seats, so it fits perfectly. So this goes on just like that. And then this is how I install it. You might find a better way. If you're going to keep it on, you know you're going to keep it on, you might want to remove the seat and put it on. But I found this to be just as easy. I just lift up the seat here, and I lift up the seat on the other side, and then kind of tuck the bungee in there. And then I do the same for this one. And then you can get underneath here and pull that little piece to make it nice and tight. And it's on. And now I'm going to do my sitting and trying it out and show you how comfortable it is. But it really is super, super comfortable. And what's also nice about it, before I get on it, is because it's slightly elevated from your seat, if you get caught in the rain, you're not sitting in a pool of water that gets in there, because it's underneath here, which is kind of interesting. And also, we talked about swamp butt in one of my last videos, one of my prior videos. And so this, if you're riding in the heat, this also allows a lot of airflow. So anyone who has that kind of issue, this seat is actually made to keep you cooler and drier, and it's just a more comfortable seat. So that I know for a fact, you get some airflow in there, so it's nice. But if you sit on it, it's nice. The beads are, like, it's unbelievable how comfortable the beads actually are. You don't feel that it's hard. It feels smooth, it feels nice. It is very comfortable for long rides. It's not slippery, you know, I don't feel like you're sliding off of it. I highly recommend it. As in all my videos, I wouldn't put a video out if I didn't recommend it. So go check them out at BeadRider.com. This is the ultimate seats, and you are the ultimate subscriber. Thank you all for subscribing, for watching my videos, for dealing with me in general. I try to have fun in my videos and make it fun for you to watch. So look at my view. You can see the Canadian geese back there. They're just so beautiful. I think that's the name, Canadian geese, right? Yeah. So it's just a very picturesque area. Thank you all, and I'll see you next week. Bye from Georgia.